Could you walk towards me?
Yes.
Come closer.
Okay.
Come closer.
Okay. Okay. Now tell everybody what you just did. That was a classic ginger posing technique. Tell everybody what you did.
I asked you to walk towards me.
Because?
It makes people forget about the camera and they're just walking and having a nice time. So they look like themselves. And it makes the picture more dynamic.
Okay. So we did that, and then you didn't want me going like this. You wanted me to explain the whole thing that you were doing. Right
So
there.
I feel like people don't know what to do with their hands, and they're always saying, what should I do with my hands? But if I tell you to put your left hand in your pocket, you're going to go, it's going to seem awkward and unlike you. So I say, raise your hands to the side and let them just fall back down. And then they're going to be wherever they go normally, because it's you, and they're your arms and hands. And it makes sense. And we don't have to actually do things.
Right.
A lot of people do this,
Right.
especially women, they often go like that.
Right.
They think it makes them look slim or something, but actually it just looks like, I think maybe you're going to go square dancing,
Yeah,
or you're a bit bossy, or, you know, sometimes it works.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's odd in a family portrait, because I've seen a lot of moms do it,
Yes.
where everybody's standing there like this,
Yeah.
and then mom goes like this. It's just,
I often have people roll their shoulders, and I'll often have them close their eyes for a second, just for a breath, and then when they open their eyes, their face is relaxed. It's just funny how our faces change just because we have a camera looking at us. You know, we just get a bit sort of twitchy.